Ladies and gentlemen, it's another deceased estate property auction. That's what Auction One specializes in. We're the Property Auctioneering Company. My name is Justin Rothbart, and we are very excited to bring you number 157 Boeing Crescent, Buffalo Flats, East London. Why are we so excited about this property? Because it's in a high demand price bracket. It's what we'd call the entry level part of the property market. The home itself, ex-council, with a few renovations that's taken place over time. What does it consist of? 3 bedrooms on the inside. It's got a nice expansive lounge, a little bit of an extension on the front of the lounge, and then it's got a very big kitchen going through to the family bathroom. Where do we see some potential on the property? I would think take out that center wall between the lounge and kitchen, you'll have a massive open plan area. Then it should look fantastic and enhance the value of this property. It is walled, and then there was a single garage which is now being converted to a bed-sitter flatlet with its own bathroom and ablution. This could be redone as well for extra capital preservation and a monthly rental income on the property. More than enough yard space if you'd like to do an extension of this property, especially out to the back of the property, an L shape, easy to build on. That's what we see. Buffalo Flats, always very popular, the right segment of the market. We look forward to seeing you at our property auction 6th of December 2023. Come and get it.